Hi, this is hi YouTube. This is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'm gonna show you how to reset the all maintenance light on 2014 Honda Civic. All right, you want to use this button right here, the menu button. You scroll through. You see how it says odometer trip. You go up to vehicle information. Press enter. You see maintenance info. Press enter. Go up, all life, press enter. You see how I say yes or no? Go down, well, press yes, enter. Enter is the source button. Maintenance has been reset. Thank you. Subscribe to the page.